Hey everybody, super sorry for the lack of content and updates. I've been out of town working on some projects and it's just been sucking up all of my time. And I have a lot of projects I need to work on, like my van and my Polar Star MK23 or Mark 23 SSX23 or whatever you want to call it. So just to update you guys, this has a Polar Star jack in it, and which means it has a very light trigger pull. That's the trigger pull right here. Very light. And also, I integrated the full auto function of the Polar Star. So you push the trigger forward, you hear that click, and then it'll full auto. So you can, spray down a bush or something. And this is supposed to be the ultimate sniper pistol. And heck, you can use this for like CQB as well, with like speeds off or whatever. And because it uses 100 round AAP mags or the 30 round AAP mag, but you can actually have the 100 round stick AAP mag in there, and it's super quiet depending on the PSI you run this on. But I need to finish this, and I have a bigger project, physically bigger project, and with a collaboration that is going to be hilarious and super fun. When you guys see that, you're gonna love it. I promise you're gonna love that content when that comes out. When I make that project, it's hilarious, and you guys obviously already love the whoever I'm gonna collaborate with, whomever I'm going to collaborate with. But yeah, I want to finish that, then they'll have me, they'll fly me out to where they're at, so I can promote this and make content for them with their project that I'm building. So, but before all of that, I need to, in this video, I need to put the wheels on my van so I can actually move it, because by the end of this month, I have to move. So I have to move all my stuff, everything, and in order to move my van, I had to take it off those jack stands. So this video process, you'll see the axle bar right here go on the vehicle. You'll see the wheels go on the vehicle and me lowering it, and watching that you'll kind of understand like what I had to go through to get everything on. The time lapse, feel free to slow it down or something to see me struggle to get this axle bar on. In the future, I'm gonna cut this and put some bolts right here so I can actually separate the axle bar together. But yeah, after this month, October 2023, I have to move everything and get to the new crib, and then after that I can start working on this project. This is the finished prototype. I need to adjust the feed ramp, and then I can have it multi-jet fusion printed, outsourced, locally outsourced, so somewhere there's a guy in Texas actually. And I gotta work on the collaboration project, and then it should be good. So I'll do all that once I settle into the new house, and that's gonna be pretty sick, because the new house, oh man, the backyard is freaking long. So, and there's a creek back there. I can do some really cool videos and film some really fun things back there. So I have some pretty cool products that I want to showcase with that backyard, with some sniper content. And I can shoot all day without anyone bothering me. It's pretty freaking cool. So let's go ahead and get into the time lapses and explanations of what I'm doing here. So, all right guys, thank you. Stick around. So yeah, you guys can see the wheels are on, and they stick out significantly, which is what I want. I don't know if I want these, or these are the Miata wheels. I don't like those on the Honda. It's not in the family. I have these wheels, which are, dang, I like. 1 second. I have these wheels, which look significantly cooler, and they're bigger. They're 15s, I think. And but these actually, the offset is way out there, so these will actually stick out a lot more than these do. I think this is perfect, but that's what I think I'm gonna have it. It's gonna be sticking out like 5 inches on this side and on this side, of course. So yeah, let's lower the thing, get it on the ground for the first time in forever, and see what that looks like. I'll give you guys a different angle. How's that? That looks cool. All right, here we go. She is finally down on the ground. I just totally forgot that I removed a rear leaf spring, so the rear is lower than the front. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these springs. I don't care. And I'll order some new springs eventually when I have some money. But yeah, it's on the ground. Here's the AC components that I'll have to retrofit for the D series. But yeah, let's give it a little walk around. Interior is this wiring, tail lights, some trash. Not really trash. Door doesn't open all the way because I need to modify this arm to extend it outward a lot. So I'm gonna extend this like 3 inches to clear the tire. And the new wheels over there, the offset sticks out further, so I'll have to make this even wider. But she's on the ground, engine's in place, all the bolts. I need all the cables. I need to zip tie up for transportation. But yeah, this thing is a lot lower than I remembered. Oh yeah, because I removed a couple springs, but yeah, hopefully that doesn't rub. Let's see, I'm gonna jump on it. So, am I gonna do this? Oh, I think it's fine. Yeah, should be good. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front springs to match. Probably a couple coils in that. But let's see the ground clearance. It's pretty low. Let's see, let's actually measure it. So, from the bottom of the transmission, we are looking, damn it. Like, probably 5 inches or so, because I had some cardboard here. So I think 5 inches. 5 inches of ground clearance is pretty okay. Preferably a little higher. I think we're okay. Dang, that looks cool. But yep, I need to get the transfer case to stay in place right here. So I'll probably get like a big old clamp it on so it doesn't fall off or anything for now. And then later I have to take this all apart again and weld, drill, and tap some holes all around the transfer case so it can have something to bite on. Looks super sturdy. The CV axles are good. Everything clears. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna leave the bumper off for now until I cinch everything down. But in the engine bay, good old faithful. These cables are here. I think this is the clutch cables. Those are some brake lines, and those are also brake lines. Emergency brake lines. I need to zip tie all those together so it doesn't drag on the ground, obviously. For the supercharger, I think in the future I'll have to cut this off right here. That way it'll fit. I think it'll clear the shock. So I think I'm okay. I think I'm good. Yeah, I think the supercharger sits further up. So yeah, that's it for the update, I guess. When I get back to this project a couple months later, I'll have to do the drive shaft, welding that, and then I'll do the coolant system, and then the fuel system, and then I'll do the electrical, and this baby should be ready to ride. And then after that, I'll also have to do like a big box over this. Yeah, that is it. Give you guys another walk around. I know it looks kind of silly with the rears sticking out further than the fronts. I'll put a spacer in the front and no spacer in the rear, and then it should be pretty nice. Actually, some people are actually into this, so. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around for the project. This is one of my favorite channels right here, Grind Hard Plumbing Co. I hope to be as big as them one day. So stay tuned, and thank you for following. And yeah, again, I have to move all this crap and we should be good.